Okay, see, friends, right now I am solving section D for you. So, the 19th question is that a ball is thrown vertically upward with a velocity of 20 meter per second from the top of a multi-storied building. The height of the point from where the ball is thrown is 25 meters from the ground. How high will the ball rise and how long will it be before the ball hits the ground? Take g is equal to 10 meter per second square. Okay, so friends, here we have, this is a multi-storied building and it is 25-meter high, and I'm considering that when the ball is hitting with 20 meter per second from the top of this building, so it will reach at h height, and here the final velocity is 0 meter per second. You can understand, beta, suppose this pen goes up, so at this point it stops and then came back. So now first of all we will find this height h, then secondly we will find the time to reach the point B, and third, when it comes to the ground, so this height, it has to cover total height 25 plus h and to reach the ground. So that means this is third. Here the total height is h plus 25 meter. So this is once again here t1 time and secondly t2 time, and then the total is t1 plus t2 time. Okay, so now see here, friend. First of all, let the height from at which at B to point A B H. So this distance, the final velocity here, initial velocity is equal to 20 meter per second, final velocity is 0 meter per second, distance is equal to h meter, and a is equal to minus g is equal to minus 10 meter per second square. So these all three things are here. So v square minus v0 square is equal to 280. So this is 0 square minus 20 square is equal to 2 inside minus 10 into h. So minus 400 divided by minus 20 h. So you got here 20 meter h. Clear? Now to reach at this place, here v is equal to v0 plus at. You know that the final velocity is equal to 0. This is minus 10t. So minus 10 will come this side. It is 20. So t is equal to 20 divided by 10 is equal to 2 second is there. So t1, this is your t1. So you got the value t1 is equal to 2 second over here. Now this ball comes to the ground. So total height, here total height is equal to h plus 25, that is 20 plus 25, it is 45 meter. So now it covers 25 meter. So distance here formula will be changed because it is accelerative motion. D is equal to v0t plus 1 half 80 square. D is equal to 45. This is 0 because when it comes, it moves stationary then return. So here initially 0, 1 half downward direction, that means it is negative, and this negative t2 square. So minus 45 is equal to 5 minus 5 t2 square. Minus minus become plus. Here 5 t2 square. 9 is equal to t2 square. 3 second is equal to t2. You got the another time. So total time is equal to 2 plus 3. That means 5 second. So your answer is 5 second to reach the, when it goes up and then down, its total time is 5 second. Okay. So now second question. A particle starts from the origin at t is equal to 0 second with velocity 10.0 j meter per second and moves in the xy plane with a constant acceleration 8I plus 2j meter per second. Here your initial velocity that is v0 is equal to 10.0, that means 10j meter per second, and acceleration is given, that is 8I plus 2j meter per second square. What time is x coordinate of particle 16 meter? See, at what time is the x coordinate is? So x is equal to 16 meter. What is the y coordinate of the particle at that time, and what is the speed? That means you have to find out three things at a time. So first of all, its formula is r minus r0 is equal to v0t plus 1 half at square. This is your formula. So it starts from origin. So r0 is equal to 0. That means r, and r is equal to xi plus yj. This is position vector. So now I am writing over here xi plus yj is equal to v0. V0 is 10j. So 10tj plus 1 half 8i plus 2j t square. Because this is, you understand, this is the acceleration and t is not given. So now x coordinate is given 16i plus yj is equal to 10tj, 1 half and t square will be multiplied I plus 1 half into 2 t square j. Beta 4 to the and 2 to the. So it is 16i plus yj 10tj plus 4t square I plus t square j. Now make together I and j components. I plus yj is equal to 4t square I वाला भेगा j वाला भेगा, so 10t plus t square. Now compare these both. 4t square is equal to 16, so t square is equal to 16 upon 4, so t square is equal to 4, t is equal to 2 second over here. This is your first answer. Now compare y. Y is equal to 10t plus t square. So 10 in bracket 2, here 2 square. So 20 plus 4, it is 24 meter. So the y coordinate is 24 over here. Now let's move ahead. You need a velocity. So it is v0 plus 8t. So v0 is equal to 10j plus 8i plus 2j, acceleration, and here 2 second. You got the answer. So now 10j plus 2 8 ja 16i plus 2 2 ja 4j. Now 16i will be here and 10 plus 4 14j over here. So this is vector form of velocity, and if you want magnitude of this, so by making square over here 16 square and 14 square, so after taking square root you can get the result. Okay friends, so we prepare it and prepare with this, and also if you find out any kind of problem, so contact me. Okay, so this is for you.